Welcome to another tutorial. This video will give you a simple, smooth concept of accounting that you will never forget. Either you have started or you're planning to start your career in this profession. From this video, you will get straight, strike, highlight, and core essence of this subject. So leave the theoretical approach and use your common sense to understand what is accounting. First of all, we will understand the definition. Second, we will discuss the explanation. And third one, we will understand the whole concept through one example. Let's start with this. First, definition. What is accounting? Accounting is an art of recording business transactions. Only those transactions in which money is involved. How to record, recording in a technical manner, in which form, in a summarized form, and finally supporting narrations for explanation. Let's start the explanation. What is accounting? Accounting is an art. Art of what? Art of recording. Recording what? Recording business transactions. This is the whole thing what we talk about in accounting. And in these days, if you want to record an audio, you need an audio recorder, or you want to record a video, you need a video recorder. In the same case, if you want to record a business transaction, you need definitely a tool. What the tool should be, as you know, in these days there are a lot of accounting softwares like P3, QuickBooks, Tally ERP, through which you are recording your business transaction. In past decades, people used to write on books or different type of register to record business transactions. So the tool is subject accounting to record business transactions. So what we understand, accounting is an art of recording business transaction. The next question is, what is business transaction? In business there are a lot of activities involved like marketing, advertisement, and you are hiring your staff, etc. And in marketing or advertisement, you are presenting your goods, you are doing marketing for the purpose of selling. So these activities, there is no exchange of money or goods have been not delivered in that case. So if there is any exchange of money or if there is any exchange of goods, that should be a business transaction as per accounting is concerned. Business transaction in accounting is that in which money is involved or goods have been delivered or exchanged. Okay, the next one is how to record. Recording in a technical manner. In which form? In a summarized form. And finally, supporting narrations for explanation. How to record, technical manner, and summarize form. These two things you will better understand in coming example. And supporting narration also you will understand through that example. Supporting narrations are just a simple brief explanation for understanding what happened in that activity. So this is the whole concept of accounting. It is basically an art of recording business transaction in which money is involved or goods have been exchanged or delivered in a technical manner, a summarized form, and a supporting narration required. Further, we will understand this whole concept one example. The example is ABC business pay a man or a bookshop named Crown Bookshop 5,000 rupees to purchase stationery. In this example, ABC company pay Crown Bookshop 5,000 rupees to purchase stationery. In this example, there is exchange of money and exchange of goods. This is clear cut a business transaction. And the next thing is recording business transaction. First is to understand recognizing is it a business transaction or not. Any activity in which these two things are involved or one is involved, so that should be a business transaction. And the next is how to record. There are three techniques or 3 points or steps to record a business transaction, which is extract monetary activity only, summarizing technique, and recording technique. If you know these steps or these points, if you know these three, you can do anything with the accounting or you can record any business transaction very easily. And it's very important. First one is extract monetary activity only, which you have recently you have just recognized, and extract monetary activity, which is 5,000 and purchase of stationery. In any example or any transaction, you have to just extract that monetary item or a product. You have to extract two things. In example, you clear cut understand that you extract cash 5,000 and the second one is expense stationery. So these two things you have extracted. And the third one is, which we earlier explained or discussed, that a supporting narration for explanation. So we use supporting narration for explanation as a reference crown bookshop. So in extract monetary activity only, what you have to extract: rupees cash 5,000, expense stationery, and reference crown bookshop from whom you have purchased the stationery, because this reference is used to use in future time if you need to exchange any product or you have to return any product. So this will as a reference and the name of that vendor that will help out you to exchange. So this is extract monetary activity only. And the second one is summarizing technique. You have to summarize your record. There are a lot of things you are doing, there are a lot of activities, but you need a technique to summarize that so that you can understand or extract your required report or required data from that. There is a lot of expenses like stationery purchase and etc. You have to categorize those expenses in different categories. In different categories, when you categorize your expenses, that will automatically sum up in a summarized form through that category. If you purchase any pen, pencils, books, notebooks, notepads, or printing papers, staplers, calculator, all these stuff should be recorded in one category that you have to define through your common sense, like printing and stationery account. You make a printing and stationery account as a category to record all relevant expenses in this category. Same if you have repair a vehicle or you refill your vehicle. So all these vehicle fuel and repair and maintenance expense, you need to create a category of vehicle run and maintenance, and all the relevant expenses should be recorded in that. At the end of month, you just open this account and you can check that in whole month or 6 months or quarterly, semi-annually or annually, you can extract that how much your company spent on stationery purchase or vehicle run and maintenance or electricity utility charges, etc. So this is the summarizing technique. This can be understood with another example, that if you have a shoe shop, you sell shoes, sandal, etc. So what you need to do, you can categorize all your shoes in one category, sale of shoes, and all the sandals you can categorize it, sale of sandals. And if you have shoe polish or brush, shiner, etc., all these products you can make an account, make a category, sale of shoe accessories. So through this way you can summarize account and you can record all the data in those categories, and you can extract the record after a specific period of time. So this is summarizing technique. And the third one is recording technique. Recording technique is debit and credit. You will understand better next in our video, which is completely all about debit and credit. It's very simple. A lot of people are very confused with these two words, but it is a very simple understanding. You know, in mathematics, plus, minus, multiply, and division signs, these all signs are expressions of mathematics, and mathematics is a science of calculations. So you can do calculations through mathematics, and all mathematics are based on these expressions, which is plus, extract, division, multiplication, etc. Same in this case, accounting is also a science of recording business transaction, a business recording science. These signs have two expressions, debit and credit. Debit and credit very close to subtract and addition, and its behavior is sometimes debit behavior is plus or subtract, and sometimes credit have different expressions with different behavior with adding or subtracting. So this one you need to understand in our coming video of your debit and credit. All the accounting is based on these two things. So if you know this, the science of accounting's expression, debit and credit, you can do anything with this subject. So these are three main points or steps to record a business transaction. It's very simple and easy. If you have any confusion, you can go through one more time throughout this video, and hope so you will understand the concept very easily. Thank you for watching this video. Please appreciate us through like and share, and stay tuned with us through subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get our notification for more skilled videos. See you next time. Till then, bye.